Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset Android, or in this case a Xiaomi Redmi 9A. This is the factory reset on your Android. So if you have a trouble like a freezing, a stuck or crash of your system, especially in old phones, old Android version, it is a main problem. So all you have to do just do hard reset. So if your phone is freeze, you can hold the power button and also hold the volume down button, and then this is the hard reset. So after your phone is reset, you can go directly into the settings button and try to type the reset. Or if you don't have this reset, you can go with erase all data or factory reset. Just type on your settings. So there is some option here, especially in newer Android version. You can choose erase all your data including photo and music, or you can erase photo, music and other non-app data will be retained, or reset system setting only, or just reset network settings. So you can choose, and I recommend you, if you want to factory reset, just erase all the data, so your phone will be like a brand new. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.